क्लास दिस इज़ योर कंप्यूटर टीचर क्लास 5। आज हम चैप्टर 2 को फर्दर रीड करेंगे। इसमें हमने कल प्रिंटर के बारे में पढ़ा था, आज हम मेमोरी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। इसकी रीडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं। द स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर इज़ कॉल्ड मेमोरी। मेमोरी enables the computer to store data, instruction and information. Data are facts, figure, words, etc. that we want that computer to work on. Instructions are the command that tell the computer how to work on the given data. Information is the result or the output given by computer. Binary digits. A computer works with only two digits, 0 and 1. The input into the computer is first converted into zeros and ones for the computer to understand them. The digits are called binary digits and or bits. A bits is the small chunk of information a computer can work with. 8 bits can make up a byte. A byte is denoted by B. So 1 B is equal to 8. The memory of a computer is represented in bytes. Bytes is unit measuring computer memory. The higher units of memory are given। इसके बाद अपनी बुक्स में देख लीजिएगा। फिर इसके बाद हमें गिवन है टाइप्स ऑफ मेमोरीज। कंप्यूटर मेमोरी कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 टाइप्स। प्राइमरी मेमोरी, रीड ओनली मेमोरी, सेकेंडरी मेमोरी। ये टेबल भी आप देख लीजिएगा। ये टेबल बल्कि आप कॉपी पे बना के इसका होमवर्क आपके पास ये आपने दिखाना है ग्रुप में। प्राइमरी मेमोरी के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। प्राइमरी मेमोरी क्या होती है? द प्राइमरी मेमोरी इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड इंटरनल मेमोरी इज़ द मेन एरिया इन कंप्यूटर वेयर डेटा, इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन आर यूज्ड। The memory can be directly accessed by the CPU. The CPU accesses the memory in random manner, hence it is also called random access memory, RAM. The CPU can also access the data from RAM only till the time computer is switched on. As soon the power to the computer is switched off, the stored data instruction disappear from RAM. This kind of memory that loses its content when the power is turned off is called violate memory. RAM is also called read-write memory as we can read the information from it as well write instruction on it. ROM जिसे कहते हैं। ROM is a memory from which usually the information can only be read. That is why it is also known as read-only memory. This memory can also be directly accessed by the CPU, but the data and the instructions stored in ROM are retained even when the computer is switched off. This kind of memory is retained its content even when the power is turned off is known as non-violate memory. Thus ROM has feature of both primary memory directly accessed by CPU as well as secondary memory non-violate. Secondary memory will be discussed in detail in next section. Nowadays special writable or programmable and erasable ROMs are also available। ये अब ये टेबल है, इसको भी आप रीड कर लीजिएगा रोम का।